Hello and welcome back. So, what did I do last time? Oh yeah, spawning works properly now. So, the solution I went with was to get the bound size and just add it here. So I just add the prefab height, the mesh height to the position so it spawns above. It spawns higher than where it hit. Otherwise, it'll spawn inside geometry in the floor and it'll just fly up. I tried using center, but that didn't work. Anyway, I just discovered addressables. Now, the reason why I want to use this is because I've always wanted modding to be enabled. And also, this has a lot more benefits, but pretty much I can put a path and then. No, I could put a variable that has a path to something I want to use, and it could be anywhere. It could be on the internet or on the device. So that's what addressable does. It makes it easy to load some sort of data from anywhere. So in theory, I should be able to make mods by simply loading from a different location or just changing files in a data folder. So I have like a mod folder. And that way you just change the data and then you can modify the game somehow. I also want to do this so I can also save, I guess, in a different way. Apparently there's a lot of benefits. I still haven't finished the video, but it looks like I'm probably going to use this because this might solve my modding issues that I've been thinking about for a long time now. And also, using the remote load path, I might be able to do like post-launch stuff. Like if someone's live streaming, I could be like, oh, let's go into their game and put in some new enemy. I don't know. Stuff like that, I hope. But I'm going to watch the rest of this video on my other computer and see what I can do with it. So instead of putting this array manually, I'm going to instead use the asset path, these load paths here, or load an array of some sort. I don't know. But we're going to use addressables with the spawning. This also might solve my other issue with the saving, all the components and stuff. Maybe, I'm not sure. But we're going to find out. Alright, so I was testing these two coroutines to see which one was faster. If this array was faster or this singular method was faster. So it turns out this one's faster by a bit. The other thing I was worried about is there was an error when I first ran this, but I haven't seen it since. So yeah, previously I was using this profile analyzer, which is a new tool, because I just love using new tools. Especially when you want to see if something makes a difference. You can really see from the profile from the profile analyzer, what is affecting, what's taking longer. It's a good comparison thing. Where was it? Analyzer. Profile analyzer. It's in preview, but since it's only in the editor, it's not too bad to use compared to other preview stuff. So we're going to go with load method 1 from those few tests. I guess I should probably test it in game and see if it actually works. We're going to make sure that it's connected. Yep, it's connected. And we're going to build it. And we're going to profile it. So auto connect profiler, build and run. So none of this is the asset bundle yet. The asset addressables. That's what it's called. It's not the addressables thing just yet. At one point it will be. I'm also well, it's testing addressables, so it kind of works. But I don't know how to do the read from somewhere else kind of thing just yet. So right now I just want to see if it works in the Oculus Quest and see how it performs by profiling it in the Quest. Oh, I should probably clear the profiler. Actually, I'm gonna do that real quick. I'm just gonna cancel, clear the profiler, so you can see how fast it loads and compare it to the second method. So that's gonna take a while, so I'm gonna be muted for a bit. But since this is auto cut, it'll just be a few seconds. Well, not even a second, like a frame. So holy shit, the answer to my error, the error I was having before. Let me open my, I call it. This error right here is to build. So I spent like 3 hours trying to fix that. I think that's the problem. That's probably the fix for that. I did some extra stuff, but that's probably the reason why. I wonder if I'm using GitHub right. I am. That's good. I need to do git commit at first. Oh wait, no. Let's do commit right. But I need to do the other method. So I need to do this method later, so I can change the path depending if I'm using a modded version or something. I don't know. I still have to learn it more, but this was just trying to get it to work on Android. I probably do spawner. That. What's that? Once that's committed, I'm gonna delete a lot of code. These methods. This. If this line works. So I'm just gonna build this and build an Android and fix the minor bugs if there is any. There probably won't be. Hoping. But I guess that's it for now, as it's been a long time. It's been 5 hours and 42 minutes, and I'm getting hungry. I might work on this later on, because I really want to get some content done. What was I supposed to do? Inject components into... So, hopefully what I just did might help. Although I might make a better in-game console. I might be doing this first, using this tutorial. First I'm gonna play. Oh wait, I'm gonna do this outside. Yeah, I might do this console thing first, because it'll make logging stuff easier. It doesn't just change every time. It's like an actual debug log, and that might help a lot more than having just text changing constantly without knowing what happened previously. Yeah, this doesn't. I don't know why. Probably because they're empty when you start. So yeah, the recap, we got addressables working. Just working, not using external assets yet. Oh, maybe I should do that next. Well, we're going to do one of these next. I guess whatever I feel like at the time. I feel like the terminal one is pretty important. Because I also want to make it in-game console for gameplay purposes at some point. Ever since playing GTFO. So anyways, I'm going to stop now. Getting hungry, as I said before. Until next time.